While Microsoft Teams has always split personal, work, and educational accounts into different apps, as of today, the company finally combined everything into a unified Teams app. We'll cover what's changed, how it impacts your workflow, and how you can configure your new app correctly as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. Microsoft has officially launched a new and improved Teams app that combines work, personal, and educational accounts all into one place. This app has been in testing for months and is finally available for Windows 11, Windows 10, and Mac users. The big release is rolling out now, so if you're using Teams, you'll want to know what's changed. Previously, users had to juggle between different Teams apps, one for work and education and another for personal use. This setup was confusing, especially for people who needed quick access to both types of accounts. With the unified app, those days of switching back and forth are now over. Now, you can access all of your accounts within a single interface and even have personal and work accounts open side by side. So, what does this new app have to offer? Here's a quick rundown. It supports seamless switching between work, personal, and educational accounts. You can now join meetings as a guest without signing in, which is great for quick collaborations, and notifications are now more streamlined. You'll easily see which account a notification is coming from, reducing confusion. To add additional accounts or switch between them, you just click your profile picture in the top right corner. You can select your preferred account or choose your guest access right from there. Microsoft has made it simple for users to switch between accounts depending on the task at hand. Now, if you're an enterprise organization using Teams, there are a few important things to note. First, you'll want to make sure your team is ready for the transition. Things like managing multiple accounts, adjusting to the new notification settings, and ensuring smooth guest access are key factors. Enterprise IT admins should also revisit their security configurations to make sure they align with this new setup. For example, making sure account restrictions are correctly applied and ensuring employees are trained on how to use the new app effectively. But navigating this transition smoothly can be tricky. This is where having a reliable IT partner comes in. At Rocket IT, we help organizations manage updates like these efficiently, ensuring you get the most out of your tools while avoiding potential headaches. From optimizing the new Teams experience to configuring it securely, we've got you covered. For help, simply contact us using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.